What is up, friendly friends and fans? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make your own YouTube intro. It's very easy. All you have to do is use iMovie and Safari. It's really easy. So this is a very highly requested, these are very highly requested videos. Well, not for me, no one ever asks me to do this kind of stuff, but I just decided to do it today, and it's going to be very easy. All you have to do is follow what I'm doing and it'll be super easy for you. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is go to Safari, and you can type in any background you want. So I love unicorns, so I'm going to type in unicorn wallpaper. And it doesn't have to be unicorn wallpaper. It can be Spider-Man wallpaper, mermaid wallpaper, any kind of wallpaper you want. It can be a dog wallpaper, any wallpaper. So then you press images, and then you go to any kind you want. You can use these, or you can use the ones that just pop up for you. I like using these ones up here, so you can use anyone you want. I'm going to use Galaxy. Alright, so let's see. So all you have to do is screenshot it, and then once you're done with that, in the left hand corner you press your screenshot, and then you edit it just like this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know how to do this, so this is not even hard. Alright, there we go. Alright, once you're done with that, you go to iMovie and you press this little thing right here, and you press Create Movie. So you can either add the photos that you already have together with the video, or you can just add it in moments. I'll show you guys that. Alright, so this is the one we decided to choose. Just press it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so once I'm done with that, then you press on the clip, then you press titles. And then all you have to do after that is press titles, choose whatever title you want. I like this one right here. I like the pop-up title. And you type in your YouTube name or wherever you want on the oh, I typed in unicorn. Alright, there we go. And then you can add some music if you want to, so just press audio and then press soundtracks, and then you can choose any music you want. I absolutely love Back to Normal, so I'm going to use that one. I love this one. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how it works. And also, if you guys want the subscribe background also in your video, I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So you go back to Safari, you press subscribe wallpaper, and then you go to images and you find any subscribe wallpaper you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, the one that I originally used. Right, just like that. There we go. Alright, so now once you're done with that, you go back to iMovie, and I'm going to show you guys how to add moments. So you press on media, then you press moments, and then you can press whichever one you got. Oh, this is the one I'm really supposed to be using. Alright, so I'm going to delete that one and use the real one. Alright, there we go. This is the real one. So I'm going to have to re-add the title, but it's okay. Alright, so then you press the little circle, the huge circle with the I forgot what it's called, kind of, but it's whatever. Alright, so this is actually supposed to go after, so I'm gonna just redo that, add it. Alright, and you guys will see. So let me just quickly re-add the titles. Alright, oh, and then you can put whatever you want, like I said. Alright, there you go. Alright, and then intro. I think it is, you can do it a different way, but I think it is the easiest way for me to do it. I'm not really a professional right now. Yeah, I don't have, I'm not a professional because I don't really have a big YouTube channel. I don't know a lot of stuff to do in YouTube because I kind of just got a channel. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!